Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Alif Lam Mim.
Alif Lam Mim.
Allahu la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum.
Allah, the ever-living, the self-subsisting, who sustains the entire order of the universe. There's no God but He.
نزل عليك الكتاب بالحق مصدقا لما بين يديه وأنزل التوراة والإنجيل.
He has revealed this book to you, setting forth the truth and confirming the earlier books, and He revealed the Torah and the Gospel.
من قبل هدى للناس وأنزل الفرقان إن الذين كفروا بآيات الله لهم عذاب شديد والله عزيز ذو انتقام.
Before that, for the guidance of mankind, and He has also revealed the criterion to distinguish the truth from falsehood. A severe chastisement lies in store for those who deny the signs of Allah. Allah is Almighty. He is the Lord of retribution.
إن الله لا يخفى عليه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء.
Nothing in the earth and in the heavens is hidden from Allah.